A favicon is an image that appears in the tabs in the browser, and it can also appear in bookmarks in the browser. This isn't anything that's configured on the web server. In fact, this first tab isn't running on a web server at all. It's just serving the file from the local file system. The next tab has the site running in Microsoft Azure, and the third tab is the same site running on a GoDaddy server. So in each case, the favicon shows in the browser tab. That's because at the root of the site, there's an image file. It's called favicon.png here, but it could be a PNG, a GIF, or an ICO file. Some browsers support JPEGs, SVG files, and even animated GIFs, but it's best just to stick with PNG, GIF, or ICO for maximum compatibility. Each page on the website has a tag in the head of the page, and this is a link tag with the attribute rel, which is set to icon. The type is defined here. In this case, it's image/PNG. And the href is set just like it would be for an image tag. Because these pages are all at the root of the website, in the same folder as the favicon, there's no directory specified here. Now you can create a favicon in any image editor program, but the images have to be either 16 by 16 pixels, 32 by 32, 48 by 48, or 64 by 64. And the favicon can be 8-bit, 24-bit, or 32-bit in color depth. An easy way to create or modify an icon is to use a free website. Favicon.cc allows you to draw your own icon. You can also import and modify an existing icon. Let's upload the favicon our site is already using. So I'll select and upload it to the website. This is what that tiny icon looks like when it's zoomed in. Let's add some filling to this pie. I'll choose a different color and draw over the pixels. Now we can see how the icon will look in the address bar, and we can also download it. Let's open up the folder that this is contained in, and let's edit the file. That opens the icon in Microsoft Paint by default. I'll just zoom in a bit. Okay, let's close this, and let's copy the new icon file. And I'll go to the PyShop testing site on my local file system, and paste this in. Now let's modify one of the pages in the site. I have the applepie.html page open, so I'll change the file name to the new ICO file. And I also need to change the image type. There's this image/x icon, so I'll choose that. Now let's save this and go over to FileZilla. I have FileZilla configured to upload to GoDaddy, so I'll refresh the files on the local file system view, and let's upload the new ICO file we just added, as well as the applepie.html page that we just updated. Now let's go to the browser, and let's navigate to All Pies, and then to the Apple Pie page. I know it's a little hard to see, but you should be able to tell that the icon is different for this page. If we go to Bookmarks and bookmark this tab, I'll put it in the Other Bookmarks folder for now. And let's go down to that Bookmarks folder, and you can see the icon is being used for the bookmark, as well as in the browser tab. That's how to add favicons to your pages. Next, let's start talking about how to use a custom domain by learning about domain name registrars.